Every day presents a new challenge, and here at Edgewater, we like challenges.
At Edgewater, you will find families, friends, hard workers, technology, intelligence, and great leadership.
At Edgewater, you'll find a lot of knowledgeable employees that are always willing to help those that are willing to learn.
I used to be an auto electrician, and I thought that was very cool until I came to Edgewater, and I realized working with robots is much more interesting.
Edgewater is a place where you can start at a low position and you can work your way to the top. It's almost unlimited the things you can move into here at Edgewater.
I started at Edgewater just helping out. Then they started giving me more responsibilities for assembly and building frames, little machines here and there. And about 6 months in, I was offered a spot in the apprenticeship, and I've been loving it ever since.
At Edgewater, you're going to find happy employees, great management, and a wonderful working environment.
I've really grown in my knowledge of mechanical components and how to integrate them together into a quality machine.
Coming up with the different solutions to a vast array of unique obstacles and challenges. And coming up with those solutions is probably the funnest part of my job.
Southwest Michigan is beautiful. The whole state is beautiful. We have beautiful waterways to fish, and we have lots of camping and areas that you can go hike.
If you're thinking of a job at Edgewater, stop thinking and come join.